We are on beautiful Sanibel Island in Southwest Florida, where we're recovering quickly, and one of the places I found is a sanctuary. As a matter of fact, it's called The Sanctuary, and this condo complex is ready to go with a unit ready to move in that I found for you at 2605 Wulfert, unit number 1. Let's go check this place out together. One of the things I love about this place is your own private elevator entrance. You go in and it opens right up to your unit. This place is ready for you to make it yours with 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and almost 2,400 square feet. After a hot sandy day at the beach, you're going to love coming back and relaxing by this refreshing pool.